The elephant is an intelligent herbivorous animal, which is scattered mainly in the regions of Africa and Asia. The average lifespan of the elephant is about 70 to 80 years in wild, and an individual consumes between 150 and 170 kilograms of vegetation daily. The 12th of August is named as the World Elephant Day.
According to Tree of Evolution, Paleomastodon, who lived 38 million years ago, can be considered as the oldest ancestor of the elephant. The mammoth, who was very similar to the elephants, lived in the ice age of this planet and had been extinct before about 10,000 years. Elephants can be classified into two main genera, Loxodonta and Elephas. African elephants belong to the genus Loxodonta, while Asian elephants are categorized into the genus Elephas. African bush or savanna elephant and the African forest elephant are species of African elephants. Similarly, there are three subspecies among Asian elephants. In Sri Lanka, Elephas maximus maximus, in Asia, Elephas maximus indicus, and in the islands of Sumatra, Elephas maximus sumatranus.
There are two distinct forms or sexually dimorphic of elephants known as bull and cow. Generally, bull or male elephant is larger and average weight is 5 to 6 tons, while cow elephant is comparatively small and average weight is 2.5 to 3.5 tons. The bull elephant has bigger and rounded forehead and its head is higher than his shoulders. The cow elephant has a smaller pointed or square forehead and head is lower than the shoulders. Abdomen slope of the male elephant downwards from his forelegs to hind legs, but in females more curved abdomen are present.
The elephant is a polyphyodot, which means their chewing teeth replace several times within its lifetime. The elephant has 26 teeth, including 2 incisors in the upper jaw, 12 premolars, 12 molars, and no canines. Some Asian male elephants or tuskers and African male and female elephants have elongated incisors, which are known as tusks. The 1/3 of the tusk's cavity is filled by a pulp or fleshy gel which contains nerves, blood vessels and tissues, while calcinated dentine is quite hard. When the tusker is getting old, the pulp diminishes and the internal wall of the dentine chipped off and collapsed into the cavity of the tusks. These chips are polished as the pearls, due to the movements of the elephants. One of the main scopes of the smugglers is poaching for the illegal ivory trade and selling elephant tusks and pearls, or gaja mutu, to ivory collectors.
Tusks are important to elephants as they use them for digging for water, salt, and roots, marking their territory, moving the trees and branches to clean their pathway, fighting and defending while attacking and protecting their trunk. The trunk is the muscular proboscis, which is made up by elongating the nose and the upper lips. The trunk has up to 60,000 muscles and nostrils are placed at the tip of it.
Most of the female elephants live in a herd, while most of the male elephants live alone. The single bull elephant in Musth is very aggressive and dangerous. Herds are composed of females and calves, and it is led by the eldest female or matriarch. After her death, the next eldest and most experienced female takes over the herd. The elephant trio consists of a cow, calf, and a sister or another sibling.
The Asian male elephant is sexually matured at the age of around 15 years, while the African male elephant becomes matured at about 20 years. In contrast, female elephants are sexually matured at young ages. African cow elephants are matured around 11 years and Asian cow elephants are matured around 9 to 12 years. The musth is accompanied with the increase of testosterone in matured bull elephants. They secrete a fluid from their temporal glands and it may last for about 2 to 3 months. During this period, males show aggressive behavior and tend to spend more time with female herds looking for opportunities to mate. During musthing period, fights between the same ranked bulls take place, but deaths due to such encounters are very rare in the wild.
The elephant is the species that has the longest gestation period of a mammal, which is 22 months. The female elephant gives birth to mainly one offspring at a time. In 2020, Twin birth of elephant was reported at the Minaria National Park in Sri Lanka and in August 2021 at Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage is a captive breeding and conservation institute for wild Asian elephants. Pinnawala has the largest herd of captive elephants in the world. The orphaned babies have been taken to the Udawala Way Elephant Transit Home. These elephants are kept at part of the Udawala Way National Park to maintain familiarity with their habitat.
When these elephants become mature, they are released to the forest.
The weight of a healthy newborn calf is about 75 to 115 kilograms and height is about 2.5 to 3.5 feet. Generally, a baby elephant consumes 12 liters of milk per day for 2 to 4 years. The nutrient requirement of the calf is fulfilled by breastfeeding by the mother and other female elephants or allamothers in the herd.
According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, these beautiful giants have been categorized under endangered species. Thanks for watching.